So earlier this year, it actually started, I think, in March, finished in June. We conducted a study at one of the elementary middle schools here in Baltimore where we introduced the use of 3D pens to a group of special needs kids, and some of them were low functioning and others were, mid to upper level functioning children. They were in the middle school, primarily 7th and 8th grade. And what we did was we, through a series of really structured activities, after doing a pre and post assessment of their capabilities, knowledge of the technology, use of equipment like this. And so the pre and post showed quite a bit. But what we were after was to determine whether or not this technology could be used as a tool in class. We certainly know it can be used out of class for after-school programs, things of that nature. But whether it could be used in class in a way that would enhance the educational experience. It did. The study was overwhelming. The information that we got back from BCPS was so positive, and the anecdotal experiences that I observed were just heartwarming. So I'm going to talk a lot about that. I'm looking forward to it, man. And this is something that we're going to be doing a lot of, and we're going to be focusing on this whole space of special education. As you may have already noticed, we have one focus that's on the teachers, where we're trying to create new technologies that improve their ability to do personalized education, to reduce their workload, things of that nature. We're also, on the other side of that equation, is introducing technologies to the kids so that they can enhance their skills, break that cycle of poverty, and get real jobs and good high-paying jobs without having to go to college. So that's kind of our shtick.